Imagine a healthy, delicious gourmet dinner cooked in your own kitchen from scratch, all with just the simple tap of your finger. Some might describe it as the future, others a lifesaver. We call it Suvi, the refrigerated multi-zone kitchen robot cooker, plus smart meal kit delivery service. Life is busier than ever. Providing nutritious, fresh, flavorful meals for our families has become such a challenge. The time and energy it takes to shop, prep, cook, and clean, we just don't have it. Our fresh, chef-inspired dinners are all created with natural and raw ingredients that can be customized to your taste and delivered straight to your door in refrigerated packaging weekly. Suvi automatically detects your food and keeps it refrigerated until its algorithms tell the appliance exactly when to start cooking, so everything is ready for you at the same time. All you have to do is load your Suvi in the morning, go about your business, and come home to enjoy a fully cooked dinner. No prep, no stress, just a perfectly prepared dinner that's ready when you are. Imagine the freedom and time you'll save.
Hi, I'm Kevin, a former Apple engineer.
And I'm Robin, founder of Reviewed.com.
2 years ago, we set out to design a revolutionary cooking appliance that was beyond anything on the market. We were tired of takeout and delivery, and we found that traditional meal kits took too long to prep and clean up. We knew there was a better way. And that's when we invented Suvi, the smart, refrigerated, multi-zone cooker that works with meals of fresh, raw, ready-to-cook ingredients.
We estimate that with Suvi, you can save an average of 6 hours per week. That's 6 hours you could be spending with your friends or family, or just being more productive and getting more things done. You can always put your own food in Suvi, but if you order Suvi meals, there's no prep required. You can pick one of our chef-designed meals that serve 2 to 4 people, or customize your own from over 10,000 combinations. Meals are made up of raw proteins, fresh vegetables, raw starches, and delicious sauces created by our gourmet chefs. To cook your fish, chicken, and meat, Suvi uses the French master chef technique of sous vide, heating them vacuum sealed in a water bath to the perfect serving temperature. Pastas and grains are boiled and steamed. Vegetables are cooked flawlessly using steam and then roasting. And Suvi even automatically drains pasta for al dente perfection. Unlike traditional sous vide systems, Suvi has a broiler that roasts your vegetables and proteins right before it's time to serve your meal. And our award-winning chefs have created sauces and garnishes to give your meals a 5-star finish.
Over the past 2 years, we've tested and iterated on dozens of prototypes. Now we're ready to bring Suvi to you, and we're looking for your support to help us revolutionize dinner together.
Let the Suvi kitchen robot give you the time and gourmet healthy meals you deserve. The future is here. Join the Suvi dinner revolution today.
Nature, the epitome of love, has endowed us with the best of gifts. It is up to a great artist, a master chef, to take these gifts and turn them into a work of art. Yes, cooking is an art. An art that transcends merely satisfying the hunger. Here is technology to elevate the experience of cooking and to enlighten your loved one's taste buds. Here is Made, a smart microwave oven that cooks what your heart desires. Choose from an ever-growing list of recipes in the recipe store. Made gives you information about ingredients and step-by-step instructions to prepare a lovely dish.
Add the rest of milk and eggs. Then add the dry ingredients.
Made can automatically set the time and temperature based on the number of servings. Feel godly with automatic cooking. Equipped with touchscreen controls, gesture control, voice control, Intelligent personalization learns your culinary habits, your calorie needs, and provides you a healthy, balanced diet. There is more. The recipe store has recipes for other cooking devices too. So you can use Made as an interactive cookbook too. The recipe store even allows you to share your secret recipes with the world. Let everyone know about the master chef in you. And there's an app for it.
Wasn't that incredible? You just saw Jennifer prepare some delicious dishes. Don't you wish to do the same? This is your chance. We have been working on Made for about 3 years now. Our vision is to cater to the masses the joy of cooking. Think about the possibilities if Made is in your kitchen. We want to make that happen. Help us to make this dream come true. Support us with your contribution and choose from the exciting bucks we have just for you. Join us. Let's make Made a reality.
Here's cooking made easy and fun as never before. Imagine, cook, indulge, make all incredible dishes Made.
Whether you're with your friends or just celebrating the end of a long work week, enjoying a craft cocktail is something that is easy to do. But making one is a pain and requires time and preparation. So we invented SomaBar to make delicious craft cocktails in under 5 seconds.
So 3 years ago, we started tinkering with electronic boards, pumps, and a countless amount of liquor containers that, quite frankly, we can't even remember. After testing several prototypes, we finally came up with a cool product that we are proud of. SomaBar allows you to make craft cocktails without having to use a shaker, bar spoon, measuring cup, or a recipe book. It allows you to make your own craft cocktails, or better yet, share those brilliant concoctions with your friends. It truly brings out the mixologist in you.
SomaBar is an intelligent mixologist. It gives you the ability to infuse bitters, pour precisely, and thoroughly mix every cocktail, all before dispensing at the push of a button. We have created our patent-pending Soma Pods, replacing the use of conventional bottles. Simply fill your Soma Pods with your favorite ingredients and plug them into your SomaBar. They're also dishwasher safe, durable, and portable.
After many attempts, designs, and models, we finally have a functional prototype. Our team has paid special attention to every little detail regarding safety, utility, and performance. SomaBar has been designed utilizing Lean and Six Sigma principles, making the technology affordable. When you press that button on the app, your SomaBar will take ingredients from scratch, infuse bitters if you're in the mood, and dynamically mix them in precise quantities using positive displacement pumps before pouring out your craft cocktail in less than 5 seconds. The mixing comes from a combination of liquid's kinetic energy and turbulence created by static vanes. Our onboard software and sensors enable an easy and fun user experience. Our contract manufacturers are ready to get started in supporting us to meet all US and international compliance standards, ensuring every SomaBar works perfectly.
Hi, I'm Michael Hom, the founder of Tandem Product Design with a leading industrial design firm in Los Angeles. In the past few years, we work with many consumer brands such as Vizio, Pioneer, and InFocus. We won ACES awards in the past few years. With SomaBar, we create something very simple and elegant for the industrial design.
To take SomaBar's technology and turn it into a really cool product, we helped Dylan and Amar navigate a host of mechanical challenges, like how to package all of the components into a compact countertop device.
Yeah, and 3D printing really affords us with an accurate and effective way to really verify that the functional and aesthetic goals are being met.
We've had tremendous support from engineers, product designers, and cocktail enthusiasts alike. But now we need your help to get us to the next stage.
Tooling and manufacturing costs are really expensive, and without your support, we will not be able to make SomaBar a reality. So please, back our campaign and let us ship you your very own SomaBar.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Prepping, cooking, and serving are usually carried out by different utensils, but today we're going to do what others can't with Vasavada. It's made of food-grade silicone, acid and alkaline resistant, toxin-free and recyclable. Vasavada contains ionic silver particles, effectively suppressing 99.99% of bacterial growth. It can endure as low as minus 22 degrees, easily stackable so you can store all your meals ready in one place. It's a cookware and utensil, a tableware. It's also heat resistant enough to be used in an oven up to 392 degrees. The thickened wall provides better heat insulation. It's safe to hold with just bare hands, even after a couple minutes of microwaving. Vasavada can take on any kitchen roll you throw at it. The material is free of BPA, BPS, lead, and other harmful chemicals, with a wide color spectrum ranging from low-key to eye-poppin'. It's perfectly presentable on any table settings. Invite your friends over and get the party started. Anti-static coating prevents dust and debris from sticking. The ergonomic curve fits in your palm like it's meant to be there. It's everything you ever want in a container. It is Vasavada.
Let me tell you a secret. This pizza wasn't made in a wood-fired brick oven. It wasn't made in an oven at all. I made it in my kitchen stove in just 3 minutes. Pizza is the original fast food, and I really love to share it with my friends. But making pizza at home is very time-consuming, and the results are never the same as in my favorite pizza place. Nothing kills the mood faster than hungry guests. So why are we still making pizza at home in ovens, which takes forever to preheat? That's not fast food, and the party will be over before you even make one good pie. When I went on a mission to make the best possible pizza in the shortest amount of time, Iron8 was born. Iron8 is designed to skip an oven altogether, so you can make your pizza straight on your kitchen stove or range. In under 10 minutes, Iron8 can heat up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, just like commercial pizza ovens. No more waiting 30+ minutes for your oven to preheat, heating up your apartment, and wasting all that energy. The cover is designed to quickly soak up the energy from your stove and radiate intense heat into the crust and toppings to ensure evenly cooked pizza in just 3 minutes. The bottom end of Iron8 is made out of special steel that can hold as much energy as brick oven, and it conducts heat way better, so you get those perfect charred spots on the bottom of your pizza. You can turn even a frozen supermarket pizza into a star of your party with Iron8. Iron8 is handmade in Europe. It's made out of heavy-duty steel, which prevents wrapping and is virtually indestructible. It's all natural, coated only with vegetable oil to prevent it from rusting and provides a non-stick surface. It's made to last a lifetime. We tested Iron8 with all common heat sources. It works great on electric, glass, induction, or gas stoves. You can even use it on your grill or campfire. Have you ever made a gourmet pizza while camping? Now you can. And it's not intended just for pizza either. High-carbon steel is superior to stainless steel, aluminum, or even cast iron. It can hold more energy and radiates more heat, so that sous vide steak will get a perfectly seared finish. The cover can be used as a baking steel. For those rare occasions, you'll still want to make your pizza in an oven, providing a scorching hot surface that emulates a wood-fired brick oven. We are a team of product designers, entrepreneurs, and eager home cooks. We have been testing and developing Ironate for more than a year. We made sure Ironate is made of all-natural, recyclable materials. Even the wood on these cool removable handles is cautiously selected. We figured the whole process out and even made a batch of 20 prototypes as to make sure you'll not only get your Ironate on time, but it will be the best quality product possible. To move to the next stage, we need to order materials in bulk and set up the production line. If you were to go out today and buy all the gear you're getting with Ironate, it would cost you over $300. By backing this Kickstarter campaign, you could save hundreds of dollars and be one of the first people in the world to make your own no-oven pizza in Ironate.